Hi guys, how have you been? Seaweed salad is a tasty recipe for all seaweed lovers. It's full of fiber, protein, vitamin and minerals. This recipe is very simple. It will be done only in minutes. So let's get started. I grew up enjoying bowl meals either with rice or noodles. The concept is very simple, so that's why I love it. I hope this recipe will bring an inspiration for you guys. I hope you will try this recipe as well. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you soon. Bye.